Speeding tickets are expensive things, depending on the amount you're speeding and the state you are caught speeding in. The ticket itself can cost several $100s plus court costs and fees, and the increase on your annual car insurance. A sneaky radar, a slight lapse in concentration, and a failure to check your speedometer could easily cost you $1,000. Know before you go! Number 1. Best value for money. The Uniden R3 has extreme long-range 360 degrees eagle-eye detection for K-band, X-band, car wideband and pop mode radar guns. Voice notifications allow you to keep your eyes on the road, and in addition to 3 city highway modes and Ka-band and K-band filters to prevent false detections, it has a GPS feature that allows you to mark custom locations, get red light camera alerts and mute false detections. It comes in a handy carry case with 2 suction brackets and a cigarette lighter adapter. At around $300, it isn't cheap, but it's fairly good value considering it outperforms a lot of higher end detectors out there. Number 2. Best budget. The Cobra RAD 480i Laser Radar Detector offers quite a lot of functions with a relatively small price tag. It collects XK, and laser bands, but it can only detect front and back, so it can't tell you the direction of the threat without GPS. And without GPS, you won't be able to mute false detections. It does have a red light and speed camera warnings, but you'll have to update these via Bluetooth. And to do this, you'll also need the app that also has a subscription cost. Number 3. User-friendly. The Escort Max 360C isn't a cheap detector, but it is incredibly easy to use. It can detect all radar bands, including multi-radar. The easy-to-read display has 4 arrows that show you the direction of the threat. Its GPS capabilities alert you of red light and speed cameras and automatically mutes known false alarms. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone and the Escort mobile app, where it gets info of community-sourced warnings from over 3.5 million drivers. You can even select novice mode, which hides the signal strength bars and basically just tells you when you need to slow down. Number 4. Longest range. The Uniden R7 is possibly one of the longest range detectors on the market. It has 2 antennas that allow it to detect threats over 360 degrees. It has preloaded red light and speed camera locations, and a free database and firmware updates keep all of this info up to date. GPS capabilities allow you to mute false alerts and add them to memory, so you'll never get the same false alert twice, and voice warnings give you clear alerts so that most of the time you won't even have to look at the unit. Number 5. Best for bikers. The TPX Pro from Adaptive Technologies is one of the few detectors out there to have been specifically designed for use with a motorbike. It is ultra bright, it's waterproof and shock and vibration resistant. It has extra big buttons to make it easier to use with gloves on, and it comes with everything required to mount it securely to your bike. It detects all radar and laser bands over 360 degrees and has GPS data points for red light and speed cameras that are updatable monthly free of charge. Number 6. Best Detector Dashcam Combo. If you're looking for a decent detector and dashcam combo, then you can't really go wrong with the Cobra Road Scout. In addition to a fairly reliable radar detector, you get a full HD dashcam that is optimized for both daytime and nighttime recording. It comes with a 16GB SD card and records continuously on a loop. Its built-in G-sensor detects when you have had an accident and automatically locks the recording so that it isn't deleted. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more.